We need to talk about CapCut. You know, it's that super popular video editing app that's owned by ByteDance, the same company that owns TikTok. It's a great video editing app. I've included it in one of my previous videos and in a positive light. It's clean, it's simple, it's easy to use, and it has a great free version. But there's one massive red flag you've probably missed here recently. Oh, and yes, you've noticed the creeper basement. I'm building out a new studio. Just wait until you see the difference. Whether you're editing content for a TikTok video, an Instagram reel, YouTube channel, your small business, or even just splicing together a vacation video with the family, this is important. And that's because CapCut's latest terms of service. It's a major privacy and ownership issue. According to CapCut's latest terms, CapCut now gives itself and its parent company, ByteDance, a royalty-free perpetual license to use, edit, modify, and monetize anything that you upload or edit within the app. That includes your footage, your voice, your face, or even your children's face. And here's the kicker. This holds true even if you never publish the video, or even if you delete your account later. It's all in the fine print. Let's say you took a home video of your kid's baseball game, and you use CapCut to edit it and share privately with your family. Well, CapCut can now take that footage, cut up your kid's image or voice, and license it out to a third-party ad without ever even asking for your permission or giving you anything for using it. This is just messed up. Imagine you're editing a video for a client. Let's say it's for a mortgage company. CapCut can legally use your client's footage in a totally unrelated ad. You think that your mortgage client is going to be happy about paying you to shoot and edit a video, and then it's posted somewhere else for something completely unrelated to mortgages? Probably not. How about you're a plant-based food influencer, and you see your face that shows up in an ad for pork barbecue? ByteDance will be able to license that footage, cash the check, and never even notify you. These aren't hypothetical examples. This is what these new terms of service will now allow. You lose control of all of your work, your footage, your likeness, your voice, your client's likeness and voice. It's all fair game once it passes through their editor. And they don't need to tell you, ever. As someone who, and I'm proud to say this, works with video for a living, this is ridiculous. If Final Cut Pro ever pulled something like this, I'd toss the software right into the trash. The good news? You've got options. Here are 3 solid editing platforms that don't try to hijack your content rights. First, Adobe Premiere. If you're on a PC or want a more robust editor, this one's powerful, and it won't sell your footage to a snack food company. Number 2 is Final Cut Pro. Disclaimer here, I'm a Mac guy, so this is the one I personally use, and I'll be using this software to edit this video, and it isn't cheap. However, if you're a loyal Apple product enthusiast, that's a nicer way of saying you're an Apple junkie. It's a great alternative. Plus, again, you get to keep 100% ownership of your work. And the third one I want to talk about is InShot. If you want a good mobile editing app that doesn't steal your content rights, InShot is awesome. And until Apple figures out a way to make a mobile version of Final Cut Pro, InShot is my go-to when it comes to editing videos from my phone. Look, I get that CapCut is easy and it's free. Well, for the most part, it has a free version. But sometimes free comes at a much higher cost. And in this case, it's your personal life and content. If you're a creator or even just a small casual editor who cares about privacy and ownership, it may be time to rethink your video editing tool. Share this video with your creator friends and clients. They deserve to know what they're signing up for. And if you want to stay up to date on tools, editing tips, and how to protect your content, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.